Hello students, good morning. Hope you are fine and are studying and completed your work. We were doing chapter 21. This is the last chapter that we are doing to complete your half yearly portion, and with that we will do then revisions. And in this chapter we are having celebrations, world celebration. You have celebration of some functions at your family like your birthday, wedding, anniversaries, and some other movement celebrations. Some celebrations you celebrate as maybe of your regional or maybe a religion, maybe Diwali, Holi, I told you. Some festivals which we celebrate at national level, all of the people celebrate, like 15th August, 26th January, and 2nd October, which is also coming. Then we also have some days which is celebrated all over the world. Okay, that is your international days or world celebration. In the yesterday's class, I had told you in the previous class two world celebration. One was your Earth Day, another one was your World Health Day. Earth Day and World Health Day. World Health Day, when it is celebrated? 7th April, and Earth Day is celebrated on which date? April 22. Today we have next celebration which is celebrated by the whole world, though we do not celebrate it in our families much, but in schools and all and other place as a whole it is reminded and celebrated. The next you have International Labor Day, which is also called as May Day. Okay, and it is celebrated on 1st May. International Labor Day, which is in Hindi you say Majdoor Divas, and which is also called as May Day, which is celebrated on the 1st May. Okay, now this International Labor Day is celebrated to remember and show the dignity of all the work that is done by the laborers, also to show how economically and socially they are contributing to us. Imagine if there are no workers, no laborers, मजदूर ही नहीं है तो कोई काम हो पाएगा? Maybe construction work, some manufacturing in the factories, maybe a factory workers go on strike. Will that factory work? No. है ना? Maybe in our school all drivers do not come, all sweepers don't come. Will it be working? Will it go on smoothly? No. So all have their part to play. So वो laborers मजदूर भी बहुत important हैं हमारे जीवन में, and it shows how they contribute. वो कैसे हमारे लिए economically also they are helping in the country and also socially, okay, in the community. On this day of 1st May, Workers' Day, particularly those who work in factories, mills, they come together and they take out processions to have their demands. Okay, mills, workshops, those who are in any mill, factory, workshop, they come out as a union and group and they protest, have processions for their demands. And okay, they also take out some processions to mark their demands. In many countries, they have holidays on 1st May. It is an official holiday. Clear about the International Labor Day? International Labor Day is in 1st May and also called as May Day. It shows that the all laborers are contributing to us economically and socially. They help us in development. Without them, it's not easy to work properly. The progress and continuity will be break. And then on the 1st May, in many factories, mills, workshop, workers come together and they take out processions just for a show also, and sometimes they take out procession to mark their demand. Some countries have public official holiday on 1st May. Okay, that is, it shows the importance of हर मजदूर का importance show करता है how they are contributing. Okay, Next one we have Human Right Day, which is celebrated on 10 December. Human Rights Day, हमारे अधिकारों का दिन. Okay. So Human Right Day is celebrated every year on December 10, and human rights are the basic right of freedom to which all humans are entitled. All human in whole world have the right to live freely in all over the world. all जितने भी लोग हैं सबको स्वतंत्रता के साथ रहने का अधिकार है. Human rights entitle the right to life, liberty, freedom. So what are the rights? We have right to freedom, right to liberty, right of expression. You can express your views. Now we are free to express ourselves. Then right to equality. We all have right to equality. All can, if I want to choose any kind of job, it's my choice, I can choose. It's not that my father is in a doctor, I need to be a doctor. I can be a doctor, teacher, or I can be a politician. So here is no that only rich people are given to work in particular places. No, equality means all are equal. Okay. Social and cultural rights, the right to be treated with respect and dignity. All people, every human being has a right to have respect and dignity. उसका भी सम्मान होना है, आदर सम्मान होना है. Okay. The right to food, everybody has, all of us are having right to get our food, and right to work and right to education. These are our rights. हमें पढ़ने का अधिकार है, खाना खाने का, काम करने का, कोई रिलीजन चूज कर लेने का, or I to express myself, to do any kind of job. All these are my rights. Now all human beings are born free and have equal rights. Everybody are born. हम सब लोग स्वतंत्र पैदा होते हैं ना. We all are born. We are not as a slave born, and we all have equal rights. Everybody has equal right. Whether you are a prime minister, you are a normal citizen, we all have equal right as law in constitution. Everybody is entitled all the rights and freedom without discrimination of any kind. So we all are equal before the law. We do not have any discrimination. Whether you are of any race, you are of any color, any religion, any state, any place, any language, whether you are boy or girl, you belong to any particular religion, political party, we all have equal right before the law. कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं है, चाहे मैं लड़की हूँ, लड़का हूँ, बुढ़ी हूँ, हिंदू हूँ, मुस्लिम हूँ, यूपी की हूँ, बिहार की हूँ, anywhere I belong, we all have equal right. The main objective of this is to promote discrimination free societies. Why we are celebrating Human Rights Day? We are celebrating Human Rights Day just to remind that all of us are equal, that all of us have to live discrimination free life, that whole world should be discrimination free society and a world of equal treatment for all have to have equality. That's why we celebrate this day and remind all of us that we all are equal before the law. We have to live in a society which is discrimination free and all are treated equally. Clear? Human Rights Day, 10th December. We are born free, we all are entitled to live free, and we have so many rights, equality rights, right to freedom, religion, and so many as I told you. So this is the day celebrated to remind us that our society should be discrimination free, where all of us are equal. Whether you belong to choti jati, badi jati, we all are equal. International Literacy Day is the next celebration. International Literacy Day is the day which reminds us about the literacy, पढ़ाई के बारे में. Okay. So International Literacy Day is celebrated every year on 8th September. And literacy is a global problem. We know not only in India, in many countries also, the major problem are like unemployment, poverty, ना. गरीबी एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है. सबसे बड़ी समस्या अभी है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेरोजगारी ना. किसी के पास काम नहीं है, कोई बहुत गरीब है और बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है. सो लाइक दैट एक प्रॉब्लम और है इलिटरेसी. इलिटरेसी इज इन हिंदी अशिक्षा ना, नॉट हैविंग एजुकेशन. सो टुडे 1 in 5 adult is still not illiterate. अगर हम 5 लोगों को खड़ा करें उसमें से अभी भी एक ऐसा निकल जाएगा जो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है. ओके, and about 2/3 of them are women, while 67.4 million children are out of school. So this is an data given here. So many women are illiterate till today, so many men are not studying, have not studied yet, and so many children are not going to school yet, maybe because of different reason. Maybe they are poor, or people still don't believe in the that what to do by studying, what they can do. But we are lucky, you are lucky that you are studying. International organizations like UNESCO are concerned about it. So UNESCO is an international organization which thinks about the literacy in a whole world, and the key aspect of the observation of International Literacy Day is the need to mobilize public opinion in favor of struggle against illiteracy. Why we are celebrating this International Literacy Day? Just to remind people to mobilize the public opinion. लोगों के बीच में ये मैसेज भेजना है that the favor of struggle against illiteracy, that how we are struggling to study, people are not studied, there is a lot of problems, so we need to work for it. Keeping in view the magnitude of literacy in India, eradication of illiteracy has been one of the major program of the union government. So in Bharat Sarkar ने भी यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ने भी एक मेजर इश्यू रखा है दैट वी हैव टू फिनिश दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इलिटरेसी, कि जो लोग पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं उन्हें पढ़ाना है, आगे भविष्य में सब बच्चे पढ़ें, इसके लिए भी बहुत सारी स्कीम्स स्टार्ट की. लाइक द गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स, स्टेप्स, सो दैट एट एवरी चाइल्ड स्टडीज इन फ्यूचर देयर इज नो इलिटरेसी. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स लाइक वी हैव the primary schools are there where free education is provided, but all prefer to go in private schools because of studies. If you can study it yourself also nicely, only thing is it all depends on yourself. If you want to study, you will study. Okay, besides the universalization of primary education, universalization of primary education means the primary education is made compulsory in India for all. Okay, all the children are, it is made compulsory for them to have primary education which is free. Efforts to promote adult literacy and adult education also, those who have not studied and all, for them also educational programs have been started and have been stepped up over the years. So for those who have not studied, maybe the old log hain, बूढ़े लोग हो गए हैं, या maybe those who have grown in age, for them also many programs and schools have been opened so that they can study. Okay, so main celebration is also illiteracy day, to eradicate, to finish अशिक्षा खत्म करना है. That's why International Literacy Day is celebrated. This is one of the major problem for the development. If लोग अशिक्षित ही रहेंगे तो देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है. So लोगों को पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. So illiteracy has to be removed. So for that, Government of India also has started many schemes so that children study. For those who have not studied, for them also many steps have been taken. Okay, so it's nice that you are studying, thankful, and study nicely and teach somebody at home. If somebody is there, maybe your grandfather, mother, somebody who doesn't know, teach them something to write, something you help them to do. Okay, study nicely this chapter, read again, it's very easy one. And if you have some cutouts of some celebrations from the newspaper and all, you can cut it and paste in the copy, maybe related to education, maybe related to human rights, maybe of May Day, maybe related to this illiteracy days. Recently it is 8 September, you must get some cutting from the newspaper. So you do some creativity, make in the copy some collage, with the help of some newspapers and magazines, relate all world celebrations. Okay, and read this chapter once again. Learn the dates of when is Earth Day celebrated, Health Day celebrated, Literacy Day celebrated. Okay, and then when is the May Day celebrated. Learn these dates, it will be helpful to you also. Okay, we'll continue with the exercises tomorrow. Thank you, have a good day, bye.